guys, it's morning 4 of my juice fast. Morning 4. Did I ever think that I'd make it to 4? Yes, I did. Because I know that I'm a strong woman with a lot of ambition. So, that's my self-love quote of the day. But, no, yesterday was pretty good. It was hectic during the evening. I went out with my family, and so I juiced before we left, and they went in at McDonald's, and I went walking around the store, which, you know, it felt okay. I mean, I don't feel deprived. I have noticed that my sense of smell is heightened, so I'm like a hound dog. I could probably sniff out drugs if I wanted to. But I've also noticed that I do get chills, and I think I've done this since day 2. Getting the, almost like, I guess, fever symptoms. But, other than that, I feel good. I'm a little stuffy this morning because I think that's part of my allergies, and my kids had their cat in the house yesterday, and I'm so allergic to cats. But anyway, I weighed myself this morning. And I want to talk to you guys real quick about that. I weigh myself every morning, and I have for a long time, except for last week. I kind of do this group page on Facebook with a bunch of girls because I've always been a big motivator ever since I've lost my weight, and I try to uplift everybody because we're in this together, guys. You know, we didn't get this way overnight, and the biggest, you know, help is support from other people. Anyway, we decided to do weigh-in Wednesdays, but since I've been juicing, I've been weighing every morning. I know, bad Holly, but no. I want to talk about that real quick is because I've weighed myself for a very long time every morning. And the reason for that for myself is because it keeps me in check. It doesn't determine how much I'm going to eat that day. It doesn't determine how much I'm going to work out. That's not the issue for me. I know for some people it is, and that's never been an issue with me. I have accepted myself and my weight for what it is, and you know, you got to know that you can change that. You're a work in progress. Like I said, we didn't get this way overnight. The food that we have and been fed, and the lies that we've been fed about our food, has really kind of put us in that America's the biggest overweight country in the world. So, yeah, I woke up this morning weighed myself, and I'm down another 2 pounds. So that's a total of 6 pounds in 4 days. And I know people are thinking, well, that's a lot of weight. And yes, it is. Any other time I would have been saying, man, that's a little drastic. But I read up on this, and like I said, I've been doing research for 2 years on this. The first week they said you'll lose up to 10 pounds or more, and a lot of it's water weight, and I believe it because my stomach has went down a lot, and I've told you guys that I don't feel as full and I don't feel as bloated. And even though I have not went through the big cleanse part, the pooping part of juicing, which, like I said before, I have digestive issues, and I usually have to take probiotics a lot to help me out. But I haven't since I've been juicing because I'm waiting to see how it is. Because part of this is my experiment to see how it, you know, how juicing is and affects the body too. So that hasn't happened yet, but I'm waiting for it. But 6 pounds, I'm down to 236, and that's exciting. I was 236 back in October or November, right before holidays started, and I had gained up. Well, I guess I'd gained 6 pounds. I thought it was 4 pounds, but 6 pounds. And I'm back down to 236. So anything below 236 is going to be awesome. And I'm going to party. I don't care. I'm a size, I don't know yet, because I have issues holding on to my old pants, which are size 22s. And they fall off my ass, and I walk around with one hand on my jeans. And it looks like I have no ass, and I kind of look thuggish, you know, But no, I've been holding on to them, and I think that's part of the mental process of losing weight too. Is you know, I definitely want to get rid of them. That's not the problem. It's just that I'm holding on to them for some reason. I don't know why. I'm going to keep them because I'm going to compare, but that's not my biggest size. My biggest size was 24. I'm sure at the time I could have went up to a 26, but I said, hell no, bitch, you are not that fat. But, you know, that's part of the denial process. But I wear a 22s around, but I know I probably could fit in an 18. But that might be a later on thing in videos to do. I'm just scared to do it. I'm scared to walk in and get the jeans and go in and them not fitting and me being disappointed about it. This is my blog for morning 4. Awesome. That's great. And I'm going full force and intend on finishing this thing and maybe even going longer. I feel great. I'm getting over the phase of kind of not hating juices, just kind of like, oh god, juices turn me off. But everybody goes to that stage of it. I've found myself wanting to do more fruits than vegetables, which I know is a big no-no, but hopefully I can change that and moderate between the two, and trying to get them, you know, in the perfect kind of sync that I need them. It's morning time, can you tell? I ain't even had my coffee this morning, so. But you guys hang in there, and I hope everyone is doing great, and I hope that even if you're not juicing with your weight loss journey, I hope that you all are kicking ass, because you got somebody rooting for you right here. And we'll see you tomorrow and see what kind of adventures I get in today and what kind of new things I can find out about myself. But you guys stay tuned.